Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a paper plane. I'm gonna teach you how to do it yourself. So, first of all, you need to go to pen tool and choose a stroke. One is good, and you need to choose here round cap and round join. And we can start. After we set everything up, and first we make like a triangle. We make the tail. It needs to be like this. And after this, we select everything we made, we draw, and use the shape builder tool, and we click on each and every single piece we want to have it later. After this, we delete the remaining parts. And we can give it a color like this. It's good enough. Here it needs to be a bit darker. Let's use a bit darker color here, darker gray, and here even darker. Yeah, and now we can get rid of the stroke, and here we have it. We can make something a bit more beautiful, something like this. To have it under, we send it to back, and maybe some gradient. I already made mine here, and that's it. If you like it, you can leave a comment, you can like it, you can share with your friends, and if you have questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye, have a good day.